Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are fine. After a long time I'm making this video for you. I just purchased this Wabcom so that I can make more videos. Now I'm going to unbox it in front of you. So let's open it. Let's pull it out. Let's take it out. Oh, I don't know how can I take it out. Sorry, just give me a second. Okay, so it's there. I should put it like that. Okay, now quickly what's inside. Let's see this. Let's get started. There's some instruction written on that, how can you connect it and this type of things. Like while opening this, I want to tell you the reason why I purchased it. Actually, my husband gifted me this, and it's been I think 4 months, but I'm unboxing it today. I was thinking that I will make a video of unboxing, that's the reason it's been so long. See, this is the instruction. There are some instructions on this paper. We'll make another video how can we connect this thing with my laptop. This is very good thing for making videos, those who want to teach especially. See, this is the Wacom. It has a screen and a pen. Pen is here, you can see this, the pen is here. So actually you can connect this thing with your laptop. If you know that what the projection only project your laptop screen on a wall or something like that, but what it does, it not only project your screen, laptop screen here, but you can control the screen with this pen. Like with this pen you can write something. If you want to teach something, you can write something and these type of things. So inshallah in future, or not very long, inshallah, you will see many videos, creative videos for you. So this is my Wacom, and what is this? I think so these are some charging section, the cables that we need to connect with our laptop and with this Wacom. There are some chargers here. See, you can see this charger, these type of things. I'm just going to make another video for you in which we will connect this like a Wacom with our laptop, and you can see that how you can display your screen here. So thank you for watching this video, or I'm just waiting for you, or you to motivate me to make so that I can make more videos for you. Thank you so much.